prime factorization. How do you write a number, say 36? How do you write the number 36 as the product of numbers? It might be one number, it might be two numbers, it might be three numbers, it might be 33 numbers, but they should all be prime numbers. The way you do such a thing, the easiest way, is a factor tree. Can you think of two numbers that multiply out to 36? Now, different people will do it different ways. However, everyone's going to get the same answer. The only rule is you can't say 1 times 36. Can't use the number 1. Well, 6 squared, some of you may say, oh, 6 by 6, 6 times 6. And another one of you may say 9 times 4. And of course, instead of 9 times 4, you can say 4 times 9. Another one of you may say 2 times 18 or 18 times 2. Nobody's wrong. Can you break down 6? Can you think of two numbers other than 1 and 6 that multiply out to 6? The answer is yes. 2 times 3. You cannot break down 2 anymore. The only two numbers that multiply out to 2 are 1 and 2. And that's the only restriction. You can't use 1 in the number itself. 3 is also prime. You can't break it down any further. But as we just learned, you can break down 6. 2 times 3. And both of these are prime. So we are done. 36 is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. The order you write those four numbers in, that's up to you. 9 can be broken down. 3 times 3. And the 3's are prime. 4 can be broken down. 2 times 2. And those are prime. And once again, we have 2 3's and 2 2's. 2 3's and 2 2's. 18. 2 times 9. Or if you prefer, 6 times 3. Well, 2 is prime. 9 is not. 9 is 3 times 3. And both of these 3's are prime. Just like that 2 up there is prime. So, once again, we have 2 2's, and 2 3's. 2 2's and 2 3's. If you chose, it's fine. 2 times 2 can be written as 2 squared times 3 times 3, 3 squared. Up to the order you write it in. Now, what do I mean when I keep saying that? We could have written 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. We could have put the 3's first and then the 2's. But up to order, this is the answer. Of course, you can combine like factors and write it as 2 squared times 3 squared. Try another number. So, if you and your classmates do it differently, don't worry. Worry if you get different answers. Okay, worry if your answers up to order are different. If somebody gets 7 times 2 times 3 times 13, all of which are prime, and somebody else got 2 times 13 times 3 times 7, these are the same. They're both correct. They both have 7's, they both have a 2, they both have a 3, and they both have a 13. That was a 3 I meant to cross out. And they both have 13. They both have the same. Okay. So, what if you have 240? What's the prime factorization of 240? Well, whenever I see a number that ends in 0, I jump on 10. 10 times 24. 10 is 2 times 5. The 2 and the 5, they're prime. 24 is not. 24 is 8 times 3. 3 is prime, but 8 is not. 8 is 4 times 2. The 2 is prime, the 4 is not. 4 is 2 times 2, and the 2's are prime. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So 240 is 2 to the 4th times 5 times 3. And for the record, this is like a check here. 2 to the 4th is 16 times 5 is 80 times 3. Yep, that's 240. But again, the answer is here. Nobody is really looking to see this work. They're looking to see the prime factorization.